Why should you try eating food raw as part of your detox diet? Are you concerned about your health? Chances are you will say yes, but are you really doing anything about it? If you want to remove those toxins that are collecting in your system, one method you can try is known as the Raw Food Detox Diet. Thanks for watching. Welcome to Master Health Media Channel. Subscribe, make a comment, hit the bell icon, please, and thanks. The Raw Food Detox Diet happens to be one of the most popular diets around. This is because while many will only let you lose weight, none of them are specifically designed to help you get rid of these harmful toxins. But why eat raw food when you can cook it? This is because when food is prepared and then cooked, some of the nutrients and vitamins which are also important for the body are lost. What is even more astonishing is the fact that when it is cooked, you changed its natural state. Thus, new chemicals are created and the natural enzymes are destroyed. When you take it out of the pan and put it on your plate, it somehow slows your metabolism and impedes certain primary functions of the body, especially the flushing and detox functions of the organs. If this does not yet convince you that eating raw food is much better than cooked ones, note that the raw food diet boosts your immune system, may help decrease or increase weight, and again, detoxifies your body. Compared to an average meal consisting of animal flesh which normally takes 8 hours to digest, the only thing it gives you is energy to burn what you ate and nothing else. It may a significant change for you to eat food raw when you are used to eating it cooked. This is why the switch should be done gradually, like having a quarter of the food cooked while the remainder is raw. Who knows? You may like to eat raw food that will give you the complete nutritional value found in each one. The detox diet consisting of raw fruits and vegetables only lasts a few days. When it is all over, you can go back to eating other solid foods including fish, chicken and meat. You may even want to mix a few raw dishes, sometimes like sushi, which is also great to eat. Before you start eating raw food, you have to prepare yourself both physically and mentally for what is about to happen next. You can prepare physically by starting an exercise routine and cutting down on certain food and then substituting it with beans, organic fruits and vegetables. Although detox diets are generally safe, it will still be a good idea to consult your doctor because you could be one of those individuals that are not cut out for the program. People who should not try the detox diet in any form include pregnant or nursing mothers, those who have just undergone surgery, and individuals that have been diagnosed with certain medical conditions. If you insist on trying it, make sure that this is being done under medical supervision. Eating food raw may be different, but it is one way to get all the essentials you need to detoxify your system. Will it be challenging? Yes, during the first day, since there is a lot of adjustment involved, but if you are able to stick to it, then you will surely feel good thereafter. What dishes can you have on a typical detox diet? You may already have an idea what a detox diet is, but are you ready to go through with it? There are so many vegetables and fruits which you can eat for the next few days, and to give you an idea, here is a typical meal. They say that breakfast is a very important meal of the day, so it is best not to skip it. Your detox diet plan is best served by having 2 glasses of water with 1 mixed with some lemon. If you can't live in drinking something until the next meal, have a piece of fresh fruit. A few options are an apple, banana, or a pear. Just make sure you chew it well, mixing each bite with saliva. Another breakfast option for your detox diet will be to have a bowl of cooked whole grains. If it tastes bland, mix it with 2 tablespoons of fruit juice. A few hours later, it is time to have lunch. You can have 1 or 2 bowls of steamed vegetables, again with some water. If you love to cook, you surely know that some vegetables can be mixed together. There is not that much difference in serving either lunch or dinner. You just have to make some variations so it is something different and that it will taste just as good until morning. What you served yourself during breakfast and lunch may make you feeling hungry in between. When this happens, don't starve yourself and instead have a snack. You may have apple juice diluted with water, carrot or celery sticks, vegetable broth and water. As you can see, there are no desserts as part of this detox diet. To help you relax and get you ready for bed, you can have herbal tea like chamomile or peppermint. This type of detox diet is not as extreme compared to other types of programs available like Juice Fast Detox Diet or Master Cleanse Detox Diet. Since it is something you are not used to, you may experience a little weak during the first 2 days and even experience a headache, nausea and frequent trips to the bathroom, but this is known to pass. Since our bodies are able to adapt, you will begin to feel better on day 3 or 4, especially if you plan to do this for the next 10 or 20 days. If there is no improvement and the side effects get worse, try having something you are used to eating during your snacks like chicken, fish, or some beans. The other option is to stop the detox diet because it is doing more harm than good. The detox diet can do a lot for you only if you give it a chance. Since you are gambling with your overall well-being here, make sure you have yourself checked first by the doctor before trying it. If you are cleared, do some research about what types of detox plans are out there, then decide which one is right for you. As mentioned before, some of the detox diets are pretty extreme, but all of these have the same objective, and that is to expel harmful toxins. It is not going to be easy, and like the saying goes, no pain, no gain. Thanks for watching. Welcome to Master Health Media Channel. Subscribe, make a comment, hit the bell icon, please, and thanks.